I'm gonna make me Frankenstein. I'll show you what he says in a second. Today I went to Walmart and I got some stuff with my gift card. And I got these flats for youth group I wear. I'm gonna start wearing them. And seriously, I had to move on to adult shoes. Size 6. See? Yeah, so I just got some new shoes. I'll show you how they look on me. Well, one of them. Good feet, Donna. Okay, Donna. This is how I'm sorry. If I had another picture, it'd look better. Wouldn't it? Whatever. Many things. Well, thank you. Make sure to please subscribe, watch more videos,